Hello friends, in this video we will learn about NodeMcu. What is it and how to start working on it. So NodeMcu is basically a microcontroller with ESP8266 built in. It is an open source firmware and development kit that helps you to prototype your projects. It is mainly used for IoT projects, but you could use it for different projects as well. The most interesting feature of this board is that it could control a bunch of sensors and has a Wi-Fi built in. The working principle of this board is same as Arduino, but it has an advantage over it, which is its storage capacity of 4 MB, which helps you to build more powerful projects than Arduino. So what are the features of NodeMcu? Firstly, it is open source, interactive, programmable, low cost, simple and smart Wi-Fi enabled microcontroller. Moving further, it has an Arduino-like hardware input-outputs with 10 GPIO. Every GPIO can be PWM. And lastly, it costs less than 300 rupees or $3. So how to use it? It uses programming language called Lua script, but we could use Arduino codes to program it easily. So why are we not using Lua script and its own IDE? Because Lua script is undoubtedly easy to use, but the IDE it uses is old and lags behind. The reason behind using Arduino IDE is its easy to use interface, and if you can learn it, then you could also use it to control a list of different Arduino variants as well. On the next video, I'll start using NodeMcu for different projects, so stay tuned. So yeah, this is it. I'll put the best buying link of this product in the description. I hope this video cleared some of your doubts. If it was helpful, then do like this video. Thank you for watching.